In the year 2023, the unthinkable occurred. The moon, Earth's companion for billions of years, began to show signs of instability. Scientists were baffled as seismic activity on the moon increased and its orbit deteriorated. Days turned into weeks as the situation grew dire. The moon was collapsing onto Earth. The first signs of the catastrophe appeared in the night sky. The moon, once tranquil, now loomed larger each day. Tidal forces caused massive waves, swallowing coastal cities and reshaping coastlines. Millions were displaced, and chaos ensued. As the moon drew nearer, its gravitational pull intensified, wreaking havoc on Earth's climate. Drastic shifts in weather brought catastrophic storms, hurricanes, and tornadoes. Unpredictable earthquakes and volcanic eruptions added to the destruction. Scientists worldwide worked to understand the implications. Simulations pointed to a grim outcome, a global cataclysm. The moon's impact would release energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, reshaping the planet. Days turned to weeks, tension peaked, and governments collaborated to find a solution. The audacious plan emerged: create a massive space platform armed with rockets. These rockets would slow the moon's descent and alter its trajectory. Construction of the platform began at an unprecedented pace. Thousands worked day and night. The platform stretched beyond human engineering, but the crisis demanded nothing less. As the moon neared, the platform neared completion. Rockets were tested, trajectory adjustments calculated. The world held its breath as the final countdown began. On the fateful day, rockets fired, propelling the platform towards the moon. Slowly but surely, the descent was slowed, altering its path away from Earth. Relief echoed globally as the moon's impact was averted. It veered away, leaving Earth battered but intact. The consequences were severe, and recovery would take years. The moon's collapse left a mark on humanity. It reminded us of our vulnerability and the importance of international cooperation. Space agencies flourished, leading to breakthroughs in technology and exploration. Humanity had narrowly escaped annihilation. Lessons learned propelled us into a new era of scientific advancement and unity. The moon's collapse became a turning point, reminding us of our fragility and the potential of our collective efforts.